I mean, the politics of the music business is whack itself because it takes away from the creative space that the artists have. Once the artists start thinking numbers, they ain't gonna be able to create like they want to. And that's when the music gets real cliche and gets watered down. Everybody sounds the same. That's politics. That's
It's motherfucking game time!
I'ma make money fast, all made to my tag. Up and be like Ash, I'm the best he never had. I'm a real street, my shit don't like checks, I just want cash. Hating that's how you spaz, I'm hating that shit I spaz.
Take Philippe the plane with, that's too much sauce. Hermes in the aim, that's too much sauce, too much sauce.
Kill everybody, man. You know that it's on the phone.